Hey guys, well, thank you guys for tuning in once again to Computer Things. I want to thank all the subscribers for subscribing, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. It's a lot of really good, useful tech information that it's kind of free without any charge, any catch. So definitely tune in and subscribe. The video that you're about to see right now is that if you look on your screen, lately I've been getting a lot of pop-ups. Actually, no, I downloaded a lot of software on this particular system that would cause a lot of pop-ups, and just like a lot of stuff that would just show on your system like a virus. It's telling you that your computer is running slow, you got 1,000,001 errors, and you really need to take care of these problems. So what I did was I went online and I downloaded pretty much everything that you see here, all these pop-ups that you see that I'm getting on my computer. I purposely downloaded those things, especially this driver update thing that's popping up on the side here. I went ahead and downloaded all this stuff to kind of show you guys how to get rid of this stuff. So if a lot of you guys are having pop-ups or software popping up and telling you that, hey, your computer's running slow, you need to purchase this particular software in order for your computer to run faster, then this is probably something that you want to pay attention to. So first of all, I'm going to show you how easy it is for you to download one of these software. So I'm simply going to just go here, and this is pretty much something that was downloaded as well, because it's not even showing just the regular Google homepage. But in any case, here I'm going to go and I'm just going to type PC tune-up. Let's do free software. And I can just click on any one of these here. I could do that one. Well, let's do this one. PC optimizer. Oh, seems like I've been here already. So let me go ahead and see if I could go ahead and just download a different one, I guess. Let's try this one. So I'm gonna hit start download, and of course it tells you that it's downloading, gives you all of these nice pictures, I guess. You're gonna hit open. Once you hit open, of course it's called Advanced PC Tools. So I'm still gonna just go ahead and run it, even though I have no idea what it does. Based on the name, it should give me some sort of tune-up or optimizing situation for my computer, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and click next to get it on here. Alright, so it seems like it's on. It's doing its thing, telling me that it's I guess a Microsoft partner, but really all this information is false. I mean, I'm pretty sure once the scan is completed, it's going to ask me to activate, like right here, activate now, and at some point it's going to ask me for a credit card number and try to get my information, and still my system probably won't be fixed once I give them that information. So I want to show you guys how to get rid of stuff like this. Once again, if you're having a lot of pop-ups and stuff like that, first thing I would do here would just probably uninstall these software, but I'm gonna go to this website called Bleeping Computer. And Bleeping Computer is actually a real nice site. It has a lot of tech tools that you can use to clear up your PC. So the first one I'm going to try is JRT, and I'm going to type bleeping in the search. And it's the first one. It's called Junkware removal tool. I'm going to go ahead and just download that here.
Scan has completed.
Oh my
Warning,
goodness.
issues have been detected that need your immediate attention. Click on Start Repair to
Oh my
fix these
goodness.
issues.
So if you guys could hear that, it's basically something popping up just telling me that I need to hit repair or something. But we're gonna go the right way and get rid of all this pop-up and all these unnecessary software that I've downloaded here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just download the Junkware removal tool here, and this pretty much is gonna search for any type of programs, like like I'm encountering the pop programs and malware, things of this sort, and hopefully I should be able to get it fixed here. If I can't get it fixed, then I'm gonna be in deep doo-doo, but rest assured, I think I could fix it. So first thing this software does is gonna kind of like tell you to run once it's downloaded, of course, and then you will need to create a restore point. From that point, it's gonna continue to do its thing. It's gonna clean out the processes. If you notice, everything just kind of closed out on my screen. That's exactly what it's doing. It's checking everything in my system just to make sure that anything that's, any type of malware or things that I don't necessarily need that's going to cause a problem will be off the system. And the great thing is once it does the scan, it's going to give me a list of all the things that were removed. It's going to give me a list, and it's also going to save that list on my desktop. So that's pretty neat. Gives you all the information you need. As you guys can see, it's going through my browsers right now and just checking everything in the browser, just making sure there's no malware or adware in the browser. Alright, so hopefully in a little bit here it should be finished. Alright, so I just finished the browsers, and now it's going back to my shortcuts. It's just cleaning up my shortcuts right now, making sure that there's no, malware attached to anything or hiding in those particular areas. Alright, so as you guys can see here, the software now is finished, and it shows me that it found 56 things here, and it removed everything. It also found 6 registry entries, and of course that's something to do with software that was installed. One of them seems like it was an Internet Explorer toolbar, and that's one of these things, like toolbars. That's an easy way for these things to get in on your computer. So so now that I've done that, I'm just gonna go ahead and just see if I can reset Google Chrome by going to settings here, and when I go to settings, I'm just gonna go all the way down at the bottom and hit on the option for reset settings. Alright, so once the settings is reset here, then it's going to show what Google Chrome should look like. It's going to show Google with, my most recent tabs or web pages, but it's going to get rid of that stuff that I had up before, which is great. So now that I got that fixed, I still have stuff on here that I need to get rid of. So I'm just going to go to my control panel, and I'm going to change the category to small icons. When I change the icons to small icons, I'm looking for programs and features. And once we get here, we're going to go ahead and uninstall some of the stuff that we have here. Like for instance, this was one of them that I installed. And you could also check by the date. If you notice that your system is slow on a particular date, and you know for a fact that you downloaded something, you could go ahead and check on this thing here to see when it was the most recent thing or software that was downloaded. For me, I have a whole bunch because, like I said, I downloaded everything on here to show you guys how these type of things get in, so we could go ahead and get them off. But I'm gonna go ahead and just start erasing or uninstalling some of the stuff here. Yep, so we're gonna go ahead and erase that. System care, we're gonna go ahead and erase that as well, or uninstall, not erase, but you get the idea. Alright, we're gonna close that out. And they're still getting me to buy stuff. They're still asking me to buy stuff on here. Even when you're uninstalling some of the stuff, it's asking you if you want to buy the software. So don't try to give your credit card information to any of this software, especially if you don't trust them. So that's my tip to you guys. What else we're gonna uninstall here? We're gonna get rid of this one here. I don't really play games on the computer anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and get rid of that one, and that we could get rid of as well. This we're gonna get rid of. It's quite a lot of stuff that I'm uninstalling. Seems like I kind of went overboard installing a lot of the stuff here, but I really wanted you guys to see how these type of things affect your computer, make it really slow. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that as well. Okay, and right now, of course, it's still asking me to call 800 number and let them fix it, but we're not. Okay, don't call them to have them fix anything. Go ahead, uninstall these software, get them off your system. No, keep in mind that you do this at your own risk, and the things that you're uninstalling, make sure that they have something to do with the software that you actually install. So don't just go in here and uninstall everything. You want to make sure that the things that you're uninstalling actually are the ones that are affecting your computer, and not like an important component in Microsoft. Okay, so once you get everything all uninstalled that you need, then you could go ahead and restart your computer. For me, I know that right now I pretty much have everything uninstalled. So if you have an antivirus, you could go ahead and run your antivirus just to make sure that everything is off. I'm pretty confident that everything is off on my computer. So it's pulling up for me just fine. Let me see if I'm able to go to any websites. Yeah, I can type here. Okay, so I'm still able to go on the site and surf, and I'm not getting a lot of pop-ups. This is how the browser actually should be. So if you guys find the information useful, please again subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you guys for watching, and thank you, and subscribe.